Rivers State Governor Govunor Fubara don carry waka go do check on the remaining section of the ETCHE IGBODO Road for ETCHE local government area wey dey completely deplorable and come assure the people say work go start sharply to complete the road. Governor Fubara on Tuesday respond to complaints and cries of the people wey dey stay for Umuhia Igbodo communities, the point where the immediate past administration for stop the initial construction. Oga Fubara for the check con drive down the entire bad section to Okpala community of Imo State to see for himself how bad the road dey and to know the kind of work dem go do for the road. Fubara con talk say the immediate past administration do ogbonge work wey dem take reconstruct the ETCHE Igbodo Road, but say dem no complete the deplorable section and na it con bring wahala for the people wey dey stay there and those wey dey use the road, and say if the road bad like this for dry season, im wonder how the people take manage for rainy season. Governor Fubara con talk say as government, dem go see wetin dem go fit do to complete this session so dem go get easy traffic for the road.
We came on a small inspection. We got this complaint that a section of the ETCHE IGBODO Road is not completed and is creating a very big problem for the residents here. So I know that the previous administration did a very great job here. So I came to myself to see what the problem is. And from what I'm seeing, it's really a problem. So we as a government will see what we can do immediately to complete this section so that there will be very easy traffic along this route. It's really, really bad. You can see that. I wonder how these people manage during rainy season, because even if we're in dry season and it's bad this way, then it must be terrible during the rainy season. So we'll do something about it immediately. Immediately.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ujesoli, TMC TV News.